Will and All Transport Show. It's time to go. Let's go. So the sun is on its way out. Yes. Happy days. Blah, blah, blah. So to be fair, it's 8 o'clock in the morning and I am absolutely feeling knackered after this weekend. But it's all good. It's all good. And hopefully the weather will stay alright for Will and All Transport Show. I'll put my teeth back in a sec. Oh yeah! Why am I so wide awake this morning? I'm actually not. I'm sleep driving. Sleep driving, I say. Just sleep driving. So do us a favour, guys. Wake me up when we get there. Thanks.
Right, the first request of the night is normally kept until towards the end of the night. Guess we're getting the party songs out the way first. Where do we go from there? Bit too early for this one? Of course it's not.
Morning, Mrs. Dub.
Morning. And look, somebody forgot the cups. So back on the pints this morning.
Yeah, pint of coffee.
Pint of coffee, much needed.
Actually, that's mine.
Nom nom.
So it's the morning after. Yes. So, gotta unpack all that, or pack it up I should say, not unpack. But yeah. Great day, great night. I'll see you in a bit. I really need to sort this out. No Tykie up. See you later. Say goodbye, Mrs. Dub.
Goodbye, Mrs. Dub.
So we are on the way home, and Mrs. Dub is in front, as you can see. We've picked up little H from her mum's. Yeah. And now we're stuck in traffic. But it's time to go back to the unit, empty all the gear, and then I suppose I better clean Tykie up a little bit, ready for Will and All Transport Show for tomorrow. Yeah, it's been a busy weekend, really. So we just got here, and because the urn wasn't filled up, I had to fill that up, so I couldn't have a proper coffee. So luckily, where we're parking up to do the cruise to Will and All Transport Show, there was a McDonald's, and I don't normally have McDonald's, but I did, and look. Golfs. I love golfs. Anyway, I'm gonna have my food and my cuppa. Much needed. So we'll catch you in a little while. So we are just about to go on the convoy, and as you can see, let's go. So we're gonna have a quick looky round and see what vehicles are around. Let's go. Smile, you miserable bugger. So as you can see here, that's the WVVW club. Lots of lovely dubs, including Tykie, of course. So while we're on the subject, if you fancy subscribing to our channel and seeing what else we get up to, because we get up to all sorts, whether it be disco, stealth, camping in Tykie and Tory. Talking of which, that's another video that's coming out shortly, so make sure you're well peeled for that one, because Mrs. Dub will be joining me properly on that one, which we did this weekend. So yeah, all good fun. So as you can see, there's so many different vehicles, bikes, trucks, cars, all come together for a wonderful show every year. Will and All Transport Show. It's great. Can't wait till next year as well, where we can have some more fun and just chill out, really, because that's what the rock god Lynn and myself did. So as you can see, great turnout, and for the club, WVVW, happy days. That's you. So it's been a lovely day. My eyes been watering all day and itching and really sore, but it's been nice and chilled out with the rock garden Lynn and the club. WVVW, yes indeed, and it's been a nice show, so I'm off home now, yes, and have some food, so I'll catch you a bit later on. Bye bye now.